welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Bring it on in, come on in, okay? So today's video, I'm just giving you guys this black smoky eye. It's actually my first time ever doing it, and I just really like the way it came out, you guys. I really like the way this foundation and everything is just looking like your girl really just took her time with this. The eye, you know, everybody say to like take your time, which you should, but however, this eye makeup was like super easy to do. Like I did this within 15 minutes, like both eyes within 15 minutes. Like I was just so shocked, okay? So yeah, it's just really giving me fierce safari vibes. That's why your girl had to go ahead and put her scarf on one time, okay? I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. Hey everybody, so I'm gonna start off by going in with this e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Latte. And I'm gonna just blend it all over my lid. Now, I do not know all of the shades of all the products that I will be using today, but the ones that I do know, I will tell you guys, and hopefully I'm right. But I will list everything down below in the description box. So I'm just using it as a base for my eyeshadows, and then we're gonna get right into it. Now, tape is optional, but I wanted like a clean, sharp look, so I just went in with this tape. I can clean it up with my concealer, but I wanted to save time. I'm going in with this Warrior palette, and I'm taking that tan shade, and I'm just gonna blend it all underneath, you know, above my crease area, and that's that. So I'm just gonna blend that, and then I'm gonna go in with the Magic Mini palette, and I'm just gonna take them two shades that I'm showing you guys, and I'm gonna just blend the two. I could have really just used the burnt orange shade, but I'm kind of extra, so I just wanted to do the two, okay? Because it's giving me like the perfect type of vibe, okay, to go in to this dark look that we finna do today. After you blend that, you're gonna go in with the Dark Magic palette from the Morphe Jacqueline Hill, and I'm gonna take that shade Mojo, and it's just like a chocolate brown color, and I'm just gonna blend that all into the crease area, well, you know, underneath that second shade that we put on. And then I'm gonna go back in the same palette and take that dark black shade, which is called Temptress. And I'm just gonna pack that all over the lid and blend it on out. You get what I'm saying? Now, this part is very crucial. You're gonna go back in and blend upward all the shades that you have done. You're gonna go back in with the shade Mojo and blend out that black shade. And you're gonna go on top of that and go in with that orange and tan shade that you had used previously. And then you're gonna go in with that last tan shade from the Juvia's Place, that little beige shade. So I hope y'all can understand that, but that's pretty much how you're gonna get this perfect blend out for this smoky eye and not be looking like you didn't got punched in the eye, sis, because that's not what we're going for. If that's what you're going for, then go ahead and do you, but that's not what I'm going for. So I'm going in with one of my favorite liners, which is the Black Radiance liquid liner in the shade black, of course. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do me like a wing liner, nothing too dramatic, but something very bold, okay? I'm going in with the Rocket Volume Express mascara from Maybelline, and I'm gonna just go ahead and get them lashes on, get them lashes popping. I'm going in with the Style Royalty from the Pastel Lashes. I will leave my code on the screen and also down below for you guys who want to purchase and save some coins. Today I will be going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420, and I will be just blending it on out, blending it all out real smooth like, making sure you cover every inch and part of your face, okay? After you get everything blended out and looking real smooth and, you know, coming all together, I will be going in with the MAC Stick Trio. I will be taking the first one for the highlight, which is the Carmel, and I'm showing you guys what it looks like, and then I will be showing you guys how I'm applying it. And I'm just applying it how I always do all of my concealers, and that's pretty much what you're going to see me doing. After I put that on all the parts I like to highlight, I'm going to go in with the second one, which is Truffle. And I'm going to just show you guys what that looks like. And then I will be contouring with this. And I'm going to show you guys how I apply that. so this is pretty much what it's going to be looking like. And then I will be going in with my Fawn to kind of warm up that highlight a little bit, because that highlighter from there is pretty or whatever, but it's not what I'm going for. I'm going for like a warmer type of highlight tone or whatever. So I did, you know, mix the two. Afterwards, you just want to make sure you blend everything out real smooth and real good looking. And after you pretty much get everything blended out, you will be ready to set. Going in with this Airspun powder, which is $5 at Walmart. I will be taking this Airspun powder and I will just be setting my makeup in the highlighted areas that I did use. I'm going in with this Juvia's Place Zulu Palette, and I'm just taking that brown shade because I will be doing like a bronzy type of look to my face. So I'm going to really bronze this face up and bring it back to life, bring that color back to your girl's skin, all of that, okay? So I'm gonna be out here looking cakey, okay? And so you're just going to pat in all of the powder that is left on your face. Just pat it on in, and then, you know, blend it on out with your foundation brush afterwards. So after I blend it out, I'm going back in with that Dark Magic palette and just using those two shades that I did use, which is the black shade, and I also will be going in with that brown shade from that same palette, going back in with these two shades, and I'm just going to, you know, do the same thing that I did on my eye, underneath my eye, okay? And then next I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal powder. It is the True Match face powder, and I'm just going to put that on all the parts that I highlight, and, you know, just buff that on in, blend it on in, and just make sure I bring all the color back to my face. Just blend it on in, blend it on out, and then go in with that Warrior palette, get that brown shade, and just contour that nose up. I didn't want to like bronze the nose because it be kind of looking kind of red a little bit when I do that to mine's a little bit. I'll have to do too much, you know what I'm saying, to tone it down. So I just decided to just stick with what I know. And then I'm going with this Wet n Wild blush and just put it on there very light with it because I didn't want too much. And then I will be going in with the lash stick, MAC stick from Fenty Beauty, and I will be using this highlighter shade, which is Rum, and that's highlighting all the places that I always highlight over my face. Just blended everything out with my finger. Well, I blended the highlighter out with my finger. Then I will be going in with this Black Radiance setting spray and just, you know, setting all that makeup in so that powder can set down. And I will be tapping it into my skin. And then, yeah, we're gonna move on to these lips. Okay, you guys, so I almost forgot. I will be doing the under eye highlight on the brow bone, and I'm just going in with the middle shade from the Warriors palette and just putting it underneath my brow bone. And then we're gonna move on to the lips. I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild pencil. It is in the color dark brown. Y'all know I always like this pencil on my lips, period, because I just like the way it looks over all the lipsticks or whatever. I just like the way it looks, especially with nude lipsticks. So next I will be going in with this Clinique in the shade Suede Nude, and then I will be, no, I think it's called Matte Suede. And then I'm gonna just put that on, and I'm gonna go in with this Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty, and then yeah, that's it, you guys. So I'm back, you guys. I hope you guys loving this look. I love this look, you guys. I really like the way it came out. Like, you guys, I have really been trying new stuff with my makeup, and every time your girl do it one time, your girl be getting it, okay? Because this face with this black smoky eye is giving me the vibes, okay? It's giving me all the vibes. I'm really liking it. Like, you guys, I'm so obsessed with this look. I will be posting pictures on my social networks, so you can always follow me on there. That's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat, and all of that good stuff. Yeah, I will be posting all of that on there. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel if you are new and you want to join the squad. We're finna hit 1K, and I'm just so proud and thankful for everybody who has subscribed to my channel, steady rocking with your girl, being patient with your girl on her uploads, and just being patient with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm just so excited to be hitting 1K soon. I hope you guys are excited. Yeah, I'm just so thankful and so grateful and just so everything, okay? Comment your thoughts down below. Subscribe to my channel once again if you are new, or if you have been watching your girl and you have not subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Like this video, give it a big old thumbs up for your girl one time, and if you decide to recreate this look, you know you can always tag your girl and I will repost you, period. So yeah, I just hope to see you guys in the next video.